Hey guys, welcome back to Brick Designed. It's Jesse, and today I'm going to show you how to build these luxury pieces of furniture. So I've actually featured each of these in a different Furniture Friday, and I'm super excited to show you how to build them. We have, as you can see, a stereo system, a bearskin rug, a wingback chair, and then lastly a china cabinet. These are just things that I think you don't necessarily see every day in a Lego house, so you can build these in different colors, step up your Lego decor, and I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button for me. Alright guys, so as I'm building this chair, I want to bring something up. I didn't have a lot of pieces in orange that I wanted to use, so you may be wondering, why did he use so many 1x2 plates, or why didn't he do this? Why are there tiles where there should be plates? It's because I just didn't have enough pieces in that color, and I bring that up to encourage you to, substitute, based on what you have, and, make it your own, change up the colors, change up the pieces if you want, just have fun with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe if you don't already, and if you like other building tutorials and Lego furniture, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at BrickDesigned. I'll see you guys in the next video.